Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are super well and staying safe. We are trying Velcro rollers today. I've never ever tried these in my hair before. I know, I don't know why. I've just never really tried rollers. I think it's because I've had short hair, assumed they've never really worked on short hair, but I've seen a few people using them on short hair. I say short hair, like a little bit longer than mine, like shoulder length hair. And I want to try them on my short bob and see what it looks like. Will I get volume? Will I get some curls? I have no idea. So let's try it out. So in the pack from Amazon, there are 4 different sized rollers. These are all of them. So as you can see, we've got like proper mini one and then they get a bit bigger. I don't know if I'm going to use the big ones at the bottom. I just feel like my hair's not really going to wrap around it that much. So I feel like I might focus on these 3. Again, I'm not sure if I'm going to use the mini ones. Maybe, I don't know. We shall see. I'm gonna go with the flow and see what I can do. But yeah, I've never used these before. We're gonna give it a go. I'm gonna do my hair first, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. So I'll leave the rollers in for like an hour or so, and then we'll just see what happens. I don't know if it's going to work well, but yeah, my hair's all different like lengths because obviously I had that breakage that's growing out. So again, not sure how it's going to be. I hope they're going to be easy to apply. Obviously we've got these little clips that will help keep the rollers in place. But yeah, let's just get applying them and let's get them in. Okay, so I'm not actually really going to do anything to my hair because Velcro rollers are meant to be for dry hair. So I'm just going to leave my hair like this. I'm going to section it. Probably go down the middle and roll them back, and then around the sides I'll roll them down. Let's start down the middle of my hair. I'm just going to section it just roughly, and let's get some, actually I'll use these little clips to clip the hair away, and then we'll just section. Yeah, we'll just do little sections. So we'll take a little one at the front. I don't know whether to do a tiny little roller here at the front. I feel like it might be too small, the little yellow one. So let's go with the blue. And how the hell do you do this? Okay. Woo! I've not done this before. Am I meant to? I might actually pull my hair forwards. Like that. Oh my God. I feel like my hair might be too thick here. Let's do a smaller bit. Ooh. I'm not very good at this, guys. It's quite fiddly. Oh, are we in? Okay, we're in. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's grab a clip. And then what do we do? Just clip it. Okay, that feels good. That feels secure. One is done. Right, let's keep going. I feel like this section I've taken is a bit too big, but do people section their hair a lot better? I don't really know. I'm just roughly sectioning it. Okay, I'm going to bring that forwards again because I feel like that was a good little technique. Right. This is the issue. My hair's such different lengths. Ooh. So wrapping it round's quite difficult. I guess it is kind of sticking to the Velcro. Oh, a little bit there. It's not quite. Let's just push that in. Okay. I feel like this is going to be quite messy, but quite fiddly, I have to say. I don't think I'd do this every day. Although, we'll see, because if it does leave my hair really nice, maybe I will be doing this every day because it's heatless, which is great. Especially if you've got bleached hair like mine. This is my issue, like some bits of my hair are so long. Ugh. See, look. These bits are so long and these bits are so short, so it's quite hard to get it all on this. Oh my God, this is so fiddly. I feel like I'm going to take a thinner section as well. Okay, down the middle. Let's wrap my hair around. to just scoop hair around as I go. Okay. I feel like I will hopefully get the knack of this the more I go along. Okay, cool. I don't really know how this is going to turn out, but we shall see. Right, let's go in for another one at the back. I'm going to do another blue one. So I've gone for like the 3rd size in the kit. So the 2nd from the smallest. Okay, this bit feels a bit easier because the hair's all pretty much a similar length here. It's just these end bits I'm struggling with. I feel like I'm taking 2 big sections, but oh no, look, we've missed this whole bit here. Okay. Okay. Alright, that looks quite cool. Now onto the sides. So on the sides, a lot of people curl them that way. So I guess probably best to just start here and work down. I've got 2 blue ones left, so I'm going to do those there. And then we'll move on to the lilac. And then I guess see if I have enough. Because if I don't have enough, I might have to use the mint green ones, which are the largest ones. People take such big sections of hair, but maybe their rollers are bigger. Because these seem really small. This is what I mean. I'm losing hair as I'm doing it. So I'm going to have to add it in as I curl it back. Oh, this is actually so hard on the sides. Maybe it would help if my hair was just a tiny little bit damp, because I feel like it's like quite static at the moment. The thing that I'm worried about is taking them out and then getting my hair stuck and it ripping. Ooh. God, this one's really difficult. I have to curl that bit round, I think. Just stick it. Okay. It looks decent. We're going for it. How do I clip on the side here? Just like that. Okay. I'm going to do a few more off camera and then come back, because I feel like this is going to be a long video otherwise. Okay, guys. I am getting there. I've just got the little bits underneath, which are quite difficult. So I'm going to probably use the little mini ones on the very, very like short bits underneath. And then on these bits here, try and get away with using the lilac if I can. I've actually ended up putting in some of the mint green ones, which I have to say the bigger ones are way easier to use and less fiddly compared to these smaller ones. So like I've put in a few big ones there, and at the back. I'm definitely missing some bits of my hair, but can't really be helped. Okay, and then I'm going to shove in a little mini one. How should I do this? Just like that, I guess. Ooh. Yeah, it's quite fiddly. Well, actually, that was easy. Obviously missing some bits, but again, can't be helped because my hair is so short underneath. Okay, I feel like that side's done. It's a shame about these little bits, but maybe I could clip them on like that. Okay. Gonna finish it off and then I will come back and show you what it looks like. Then I'll do my makeup and then we'll take them out, and yeah, fingers crossed it looks good. Okay guys, rollers are all in. I don't think I've done a very good job at the back, but that's what it looks like. Feel very retro. Also, there totally was not enough clips in that box to rollers. I thought there would have been the same amount, so I had to like substitute one of them. But yeah, anyways, all in. And I'm going to do my makeup now, and then I'll come back after about an hour and we'll take them out and see if it's done anything. I don't believe I was meant to put any product in my hair. I think you can dampen your hair a little bit if you want to. But to be fair, my hair does tend to mould if I've got it up in a dry style. Like, you know, if you like have your hair, like dry hair in a ponytail or like a braid or something, it does tend to like kind of mould to that shape. So yeah, we'll see. I don't know. I don't know what the fringe is going to be like. It's an experiment. So let's see if this is successful and whether this kind of style of application works for short hair. This tends to be what most people do. If it doesn't, maybe I'll try again and we'll do this again another time with, yeah, the application in a different way, but fingers crossed. Right guys, I'm back. Makeup is all done. I went for like a really glam look today, but I popped like some neon eyeshadow underneath to match with my hair. Also guys, Shadow's sleeping behind me and he's snoring. Chad. Oh, he's so tired. So don't worry if you hear any snoring. We are going to take these out. I'm very, very keen to see what they're going to look like. They've been in for about an hour now. Yeah, let's start taking them down. I'm also going to try and film a TikTok at the same time as this. But yeah, okay, I'm excited. First one. Oh, got a nice little, oh, it's actually got a lot of volume. Little flick there, okay. I don't know. Okay, let's go for this one. Ow, 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 ow. I feel like this is going to be slightly painful. Okay, they're coming out okay, actually. Okay. I mean, trust the process, hopefully. Let's go for these little ones at the back. I don't know if they've done anything. Oh, feels like it's done something. I don't know what this is going to look like. Oh, that one. No, has that one already just... That was the one I took out. There's another one. No. Wait, did one fall out earlier? Maybe one fell out. Oh no, there's another one here. Ah. Okay, but they're coming out easily, which is something I was a bit worried about. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna do the back actually. So let's take the back out. Okay, I don't actually know what that looks like because I cannot see, but it feels like it's got volume. That feels like it's got volume. What are we doing now? Are those the back ones out? Oh, I've got this top back one. I'll do that last. Okay, I'm going to do this side one. Wait, there's one under here. Is that one under there? Oh, there's a little one under there hiding. That's where it went. Okay, we have a lot of volume. We have a lot of volume. Just got this flicky thing going on, but when I've like zhuzhed all my hair up at the end, hopefully it looks okay. There is a lot of volume. Okay, it looks promising. Still going. Okay. God, there is actually so much volume. Let's take out this back one here. This is what I'm going to be intrigued at, how these come out. Ah, okay, I knew these were going to be hard because of all my different layers. Oh, Dave? Wow, God, look at that little bit there. Okay, we'll do these side ones. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, the noise, it's the noise. Ooh. God, so much volume, I can't get over it. Right. Ah. Okay. 3 more to go. The one that's going to be interesting is that, and whether that's actually worked. God, what? Oh my God, there's so much volume. I can't get over it. It's crazy. Right, guys, final one. What is the outcome gonna be? Here we go. Woo! Oh my god. Did it work? I don't know if that one worked. That one definitely did not work at the front. Or did it? I mean... Right, let's just zhuzh up my hair a little bit now. It's definitely got a lot of volume, like a lot of volume. But I don't know if the mid parting really, I don't know. Let me just... I don't think it actually worked too bad on my fringe. Sorry, Shadow's like proper snoring, isn't he? It's got a lot of volume, I have to say. Like, I don't think it actually looks that bad. What do you guys think? I guess if I like put it behind my ear, maybe head this side out. Thoughts? I don't know what I think. I'm not 100%. I mean, we have volume. My hair looks thick. I don't know if the front ones worked that well. Maybe I should have like actually kind of, I don't know, curled them a little bit differently. I feel like if you had a side part and all your hair was the same length and you didn't have these like short bangs. Also, my hair is like dead straight as well. Maybe it would be better because I feel like if my hair flipped over like this, like if I had tamed it to flip over like that, then I feel like it could look cool. Like if your hair was like this, then I feel like I would love this. But yeah, I feel like maybe if I dampened my hair and tamed it to go over this way to start with, and then maybe kind of like, yeah, parted it differently before I put them in, it would look okay. But yeah, what do we think? There is a lot of volume. And my hair looks really healthy. So I don't think it's a fail. I mean, I don't think it looks too bad with my bangs. What do we think, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, I feel like it worked pretty well. So I would say it is successful. I think maybe I would have done my bangs a little bit differently, but I don't know if it's just the length of them and the fact that my hair is so short. I wouldn't say they look too... I don't think they look that bad. Like, they've got like a nice little swoop to it. Yeah, no like curls or anything, just volume at the root and a little flick at the end. Really bouncy, actually. Yeah, I feel like I'd give this like a 7.5 out of 10. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I actually don't think it was a fail. I think it did work. So yeah, I'll link below the Velcro rollers from Amazon. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will see you guys in another video very soon. Peace out.